Welcome to my live at P4 Spire, where in this live, I'm going to be live trading a couple of tokens that are currently listed on Solana and network and a whole lot. So I've done a couple of trading so far, and currently I'm going to be trading the MEA token against the USDT. So if you're new to this live, you're very, very welcome to this live. Stay tuned, guys. You can quickly just go to your BingX app if you have the BingX app. If you don't have it on your phone, then really go to your Play Store or your iOS store, and you get that's your iOS app store. Yeah, that's if you're using the iPhone, and just download the BingX app, and then the BingX app search. Sorry, search the MEA token. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And if you are a trader like me, be you an intermediate trader or a beginner, stay tuned because you're going to be learning a lot from this trade. Yes, I'm going to share a little bit of nuggets and all. And if you have things to share, always make sure to drop them in the comment section. Always make sure to share them. Uh, I'm going to be trading in MEA token. I'm going to give you more insight about a project called Mecca. That's Project Mecca. So the description is currently, sorry, the link is currently in my description below, and I have to quickly send this link. So stay with me. I want to quickly share this link to a couple of communities that I am in that are always willing to watch this live stream. Yes. So if you stumbled on it by chance, that means the universe really wants you to learn something or get something. So, and that being said, I'll be back in a jiffy about 5 minutes from now. Please don't go away. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you very much. Yeah, so guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Yes, I just quickly share the the link to a couple of communities I am in. I'm very big on community, so yes, I did share the links. So back to this video, guys. Back to this live. Currently, my last live stream, I entered a buy at somewhere around this angle. I set a limit order, and I told you guys from my analysis, you can see the market is pretty doing well. But for those of you that just joined, let me just give a little recap on what happened last time. So yes, after much analysis on the market, I I took a limit order right around this angle. You can see it due to a couple of resistance that become happening in the market. So you can see that uh, um, sorry, I have to get to that point. So I've taken a couple of trades in the market and the MEA token and buy and held. I think it's in the 1 hour. Just wanted to show you guys something before I continue with this live. So yeah, I took a buy and we have rolled. Okay, yes, this limit order got in from here and we have rolled up to this point. So yes, it got triggered at this point, I guess. Yes, this point. So I sold at this point, uh, made little profit, not much, but at least 20% 30% profit is it's not bad at all, guys. So yes, yeah, I wanted to show you guys something. At this angle here, there was a lot of rejection that was happening here. A lot of rejections were here. This is like a strong resistance. I'm hoping that price is able to break through this resistance and let's keep going to the upper trend. And if you look very closely, you will see that should I check the daily? From the daily chart, yeah, from the daily chart, you will see that the price have been stagnant for a couple of days now, like 5 days now. It has been kind of stagnant, closing a little bit bullish. You can see from here, and that is due to the part of part of the reasons is the crash that happened in crypto space. I know most of us are very aware of the crash that happened in the crypto space. Yeah, I think that's one of the reasons why this market of late has been pretty stagnant, closing between bullish bearish. So it's not that we're having much. There's a little bit of indecisions here and there by the bearish, by the bulls and the bears. So yes, if you get what I mean. So and currently MEA token, the MEA price is currently stable, but not really stable. But you can see for yourself that it's doing quite fine as compared to other tokens and other projects. And that's a little, that's a point I have to point there. Currently, we're not at least in the 15 minutes. Let's see, in the 15 minutes, we're doing pretty well. And in little moment from now, I'm going to be closing this trade. Though I'm looking for a better, hoping that the market does. I don't know where another support is going to be formed. I'm just looking at it because I'm hoping that there's going to be a support somewhere around. But maybe because looking at this, I'm guessing that it's going to probably bounce and form another support somewhere around this angle here, somewhere um this point here. I don't know how to go to for another support in which is going to help you to climb. One thing you should know as a buyer, as a trader, be you professional, beginner, and intermediate, is that we usually um buy the support, sell the resistance. Yes, you buy at the support, you sell the resistance. So that's one thing you should know too. Uh, yep. So at this point, yeah, it's a bullish engulfing that's currently happened at this point, and here we can see that the buyers are coming in this market. So let's keep our fingers crossed to see what's going on at the moment. My limit order has been taken. My limit order has been executed already. Like I'm going to say that. So I want the trade to keep running, and while the trade is running, I will quickly want to share a little bit of insight and nuggets on how the MEA token works on Mecca, Project Mecca. So for those of you that are joining, just for the sake of those, but for those that have joined me from my previous live streams that I've been making, they already have a lot of insight on their Project Mecca. Some already have joined the Telegram community. Some already seen the purpose, seen the vision already that I've been talking about. Yes, and if you're a Mecca believer, congratulations. Congratulations for believing in the project so far. And I will also admonish and advise that you can hold the token, hold the Mecca token, hold the MEA token, because I'm going to say that it's going to make me rich. Yeah, I believe that the MEA token is going to make me rich. And so far, so good. I have benefited a lot from this project. I've benefited a lot from this token. So if you have someone, a friend, or whoever that is looking for tokens to hold this odd season time, you can just share the video for them to watch and see for themselves to see if they can hold. Let us all make that bag this odd season, guys. What do you guys think? Yeah, and I also I'd always say that you should do your own findings, do your own research. This is not like, this is not a financial advice. Yeah, it's not a financial advice. I've said it, a disclaimer. So just do your own research, and in that doing your own research, we're going to do a couple of research here as to how I'm going to answer a couple of questions like um, about the community, how active is the community, uh, what is the vision of this project Mecca. I would have shared a little bit of the white paper, but currently network is not allowing me to open up the white paper, so I can just surf through it and just see and summarize that kind of a thing. So you get me. So yeah, still notwithstanding, I'm going to show a couple of things. And also, if you are uh, uh, just new to this live, I just wanted to just say that a welcome. What you should know is that Mecca also rewards community participation. So I'm always big on the community aspect. You get me? So community participation, and I'm going to share a little bit more insight on why the project Mecca is different from other projects. So you get me? So yes, that and many more I'll be sharing in this live stream. And stay tuned, I'm still here. So currently I'm going to just like why the trade is going, seeing how the market is going. If you have any other contrary opinion as to why this should not be this or that should not be this, don't forget, always share in the comment. I'm always big on comments. At the moment I'm not getting a comment, I don't know. Please say something. We are humans here. If you are too scared of saying something in the comments, I don't know why, or haven't had any much, you can also join the Telegram community and ask the questions I'm going to answer. I'm just going to surf you through the Telegram community to show you a little bit snippet of how active the community is, and things you start to benefit, things you start to gain from joining communities like Project Mecca. You get me? So yes, that and many more I'll be sharing, and also take you through the X page, the X post, so you see how active the group, the project is. Also community, they also have a community on X too. You can join there and connect with people. Yes, connect with people. You can also sharpen up your creativity skills. Be you an NFT artist, be you whatever you may be. So yes, and I think I've said a lot now. I think we have to jump right into action. I'm going to pause this video for a couple of seconds and take you through the I'm going to start with the Telegram first before I go back, before I go to the X. So yeah, I'm going to start with that. Why? Okay, once again, if you are joining this live, thank you for joining. Those of us that joined from the BingX community, that I share this link and other crypto space and Web3 space community. I thank you very much. You're very much welcome to this live, and I don't touch that die, and I promise that you are not going to regret ever joining this live stream. That's a promise, guys. So let's go straight into the Telegram community, because I'm very big on community. I'm in a lot of communities, a lot of Web3 communities, so much. I know a lot of things that's happening in this space. So if you feel free, then also feel free to DM me privately or something like that nature, and we can discuss more about Mecca, more about this space. One thing you should know is that Mecca is bringing great revolutions into the Web3 space, and through Web3, how am I going to put this now? Through innovations, yes, through your creativity. And one thing you should know that you get rewarded for being in that space, in that ecosystem. Be you a webtoon, a gamer, an NFT artist, uh, community, whatever, you get paid, you get rewarded, you get benefits. That's one thing you should know too. So, still on that, let's quickly dive into the tip comments. I'm just going to stop through and show you a bit. I'm not yapping at the moment. So, guys, I'm back. So yeah, guys, welcome back again. Welcome back again. So yeah, I'm currently in the Telegram community. I just wanted to show you a bit about Mecca charts and things you need to know about the Mecca. You can see the announcement, help and support. If you're confused as to how the project, the visions of the project, and other stuff, you can ask in the help and support, and you get answer. This general chat where we converse on a daily basis. And I think as of when I entered last, it was I can't remember the number that it was at, but now it's currently about 1,456 chats so far, meaning a very innovative chat, intelligent chat, not just yapping. That is more of very engaging chat. Uh, this is the YouTube part too again. B, if you're from other countries like Indonesia, maybe you're not big on English, or maybe you don't understand language to some extent, you can join, connect with your brothers and your sisters, connect with your farms. And the Indonesia group, there's also the Vietnam group, there's Korean, you can see a couple of them, Brazil, and so yeah, I just wanted to show you through the various communities here. Um, yeah, you gain value. I think the Vietnam group is very active at the moment. I think I should open it so you can see for yourself. It's very active and a lot of conversations are going here in the Vietnam. So if you be a Vietnam group, you can join and converse with fellow um, enthusiasts like yourself. So I'm going to get head into the general chat. I just wanted to show you also a couple of things that is going there to show you how authentic and organic this chat is. You can see for yourself. Very, very engaging. Yes, that's one thing you should know too. Yeah. Uh, I don't want to waste much of your time on this or start to bore you. As of late, I think the subscribers now about heading to 50,000. That's a very great feat. That's a great feat. That shows you how active the community is. People are always joining on the daily and very eager to join. And they're learning and they're getting nuggets and they're getting wisdom, nuggets of wisdom here and there. They're getting a whole lot, benefiting a whole lot. It's about 50,000 subscribers and members at the moment, and active members, partially, yeah, active members. Yeah. So, notwithstanding, I'm going to pause this live. Notwithstanding, I'm going to pause this live for a couple of seconds again and just take you through the X and show you the communities on X. And if you are maybe not big on Telegram, you can join the X community, share your insights, share your nuggets, sharpen sharpen it, iron, like sharpen one another in various way, and also get to learn and be a part of the Mecca family and project and see in its vision, because yeah, Mecca is very big on building. That's one thing I should also tell you. So I'm going to pause this video for a couple of minutes, for a couple of seconds actually, and take you through the X profile before we head back to our trade. So yeah, guys, I'm back. Here is our my X. I'm currently on the X so far. I just finished a course on building faceless creators and TikTok channel granted. Okay, that's not part of what we come here to do. But let me just quickly bookmark this because it's very helpful to me. So yeah, yeah, actually, okay. Mecca made a post 20 hours ago. Sorry, I have to sneeze. That's me. Sorry about that. So yeah, USDT pre-tag go, bro, market go. Yeah. Okay, they just made a comment on the Ash crypto. Sorry. So yes, comment was made on the Ash crypto. Breaking 1 billion USDT just minted proper market. So yeah, and you see how active. I will share how active Mecca community have been active. I have to like this. I have to like this because he actually made a lot of points here. USDT printer go, bro. Markets go here. Well, uh, that's not what I wanted to show you guys. I just wanted to show you how active the Mecca community is. Let's join this. Okay, let's quickly head over to the Mecca 3M. And yeah, currently day before yesterday, I think when I made my stream day before yesterday, Mecca was currently at 24,000 subscribers. Now currently on 27.4 thousand. That means the community keeps growing. Show you guys, I see that you're missing a lot if you're not here, if you're not joining. Let me have to like this because I always want to like this because I get a lot of insight from here. I like this, and I like this too. I'm currently going to make a little bit. Okay, and add anymore. Yeah, access identity and navigation. Yeah. So if you're an NFT artist, you can also join the community, and you're going to make yeah, you get rewarded for community participation. So yeah, be a creator, you get creators empowerment and stuff. Can I get a follow back? Okay, somebody was asking if you can get a follow back. Okay, that's Mecca. Hey, you also tag the Mecca community. So yeah, I think I have to off this. Already dark here. Okay, let's quickly let's read Web3. Let's read this together. Web3 isn't about holding assets, it's about well said. Let me just say something. Well said. Conviction needed. I have to just tag them out. It's actually this a if you feel that this is a very good nugget of wisdom, you can also drop it. So yeah. So let's get into the community so far. Let's get into the community. Like I said, so this is a community post. There's a community post. Sorry. Uh, where else next? Okay. So I'm looking for the Mecca community. Sorry, I have to pause this video. Yeah, so welcome back, guys. Yeah, so I was looking for the communities where you can join and also get more insight about Mecca, Mecca project. If you're looking for, just search, go to your X and just search Mecca underscore official X, or just search Mecca, and you're going to Mecca is going to this is going to prompt up your screen, like come up your screen. So let's join the MEM Solana Wall Street. It's another community you can join. Yeah, I agree, and join. Because join communities like this, it helps too, and you get a lot of nuggets. This is the admin, learn. So there's another community. I'm always big on community building. I'm always big on community growth. I'm always big on joining communities because you get to learn a lot of things from joining communities. So yeah, I'm going to just turn on the notification. So when they come, I'm going to get notified. This is the second one you can join. Community post. Mecca is on. Just join. Uh, join the Solana network. I think I joined already. Sorry. I have to join this. Yeah, joined. So now here we are working. So yeah, join communities, guys. Join communities. So yeah, so I think I've showed you a little bit of nuggets, a lot of things you need to see in Mecca that you have not seen. Just have to love some couple of them, follow so Queen, because I love to follow them. So yeah, that's all. That's all, guys. That's all, guys. I have to pause this quickly. So yeah, yeah, back to the trade. We are back to the trade. So now you can see market is currently breached. Like I said, after the analysis, I saw there was a strong rejection at that point. I just hope it breaks through. If it breaks through that rejection, it shows that they're going to move to the uptrend. The market has already formed a very beautiful structure. You get me? So yeah, of late, you can't really discern the exact structure the market is moving. I think at this point it was trying to make like get like an uptrend. Yeah, because we saw a little bit of breaking structures, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. But along the line, I don't know what happened. There's a bit of reversal. That's due to the current situation of the market and the sentiment so far in the market. But now, I think we've seen structures being broken at the moment. It allowed bearish at this point, and now it broke the structure. I formed another new support. We've not gotten a very solid support around, because I'm expecting this trade to come bounce back and get a very strong support somewhere to keep going up. So let's hope for that. For that purpose, I'm going to leave this trade uh, to keep running to see. But I'll keep eyeballing it to see when we get to that support. But I'm very optimistic that this trade is going to be so bullish by this time tomorrow. Currently in the 1 day, like I said, I've not gotten a very everybody is just indecisive at the moment. The market isn't stable at this point. It's just like the market is kind of stagnant. But I think today I can see some little bit of progress here, and this engulfing is giving us red flag that actually the market is going to be bullish. So yes, I'm bullish on Mecca. I am bullish on Mecca. I'm bullish on Mecca, guys. So thank you guys for watching. I don't intend to waste much of your time in this live stream. And thank you guys for watching. Can do well to join the Telegram community. Description, sorry, the link is in my description, and then the X link too is on my description too below in this channel, in this video. Thank you guys. Also do well to share the link to your friends, to your crypto friends, and so on, so that they can get more knowledge and get insights too. And if they're looking for tokens to invest in, and they can see this video, and also help the YouTube algorithm to push this video to people that needs to see it. That being said, and also I just wanted to sound this that currently the Mecca is listed on Lexi, so you can go there and also buy, sell, swap, stake too. I would have taken you guys to the app, to the site, Mecca site. You would have heard I showed you a little bit of things you need to see, but if you I will not be able to show it now because of time. um, I'm kind of time constrained now, so you can just go and to my previous stream, previous live, which was yesterday, and you see for yourself. The link actually is on the Twitter, Mecca official's Twitter. So when you click on the Mecca, you go to the Mecca, just by your top left, right, top left, you'll see the link there, www.mecca.com. You click there and you get to see, you get to stake. If you want to stake, you can stake as minimum as $20, 30, 40, depending on the amount you want to stake. You can stake up to $100. You can stake up to that amount. Yes, that's the beauty, one beauty with Mecca. And that being said, I also want to sound this, just let you know that currently you get rewarded for participating in Mecca. Currently, a sprint is going on Zili at the Mecca. Mecca project is actually hosting a sprint in Zili where you get to win incomes, little money here and there. That income is also helpful in the ecosystem because you get this money in the MEA token, and you can use it to do a couple of transactions here and there. You can buy within the ecosystem, you can trade within the ecosystem, and more. So I think that's all. I think I've said a lot of things in this video, in this stream, and I think a lot of helpful tips and nuggets so far. So I'm going to currently at this point end this stream at this point. Let's keep building, guys. Let's keep learning, let's keep um, growing together, community-wise, and what have you. For some reason, I'm going to leave this trade and come to my next live. I'm going to show you. See, yeah, another movement. This is so beautiful. I'm so tempted at this point to like take my profit and just run off, then wait for the next movement. Actually, because after my analysis, I hope, because I'm thinking that strong retest rejection zone, I hope we don't get to that place. But I'm going to just look at this trade again. See, this strong rejection. There was a lot of rejection at this point. Is this in the 15 minutes? 15 minutes just shows you, tell you more of the things that are actually happening in the market. So yes, so I think the rejection was broken, but he did not get a support from there. So I think this will be a new support. I'm thinking so. So yeah, I have seen strong supports here at this point. I think it's a strong support which enabled this uptrend that was going. You can see breaking structures at this point. Came back from another one. I'm just waiting for another support. I think it's going to come and happen around somewhere here at this point. So I think I'll be so tempted. I'm going to exit this trade at this point. Yeah, then I'll place another limit order that will get executed somewhere at around here. So I think for some reasons I think I'm in profit. Yeah, I'm in profit. One thing you should know is you should not be overly of a trader or under of a trader. Just check the market, analyze, and don't be greedy. Don't be that of a greedy trader, because that's what where some of us miss it. Yeah, don't be much of a greedy. At least I made profit for the day, and I'm okay with the profit. So I think I'm going to exit this trade at this point. So at this point I'm going to sell. So guys, I'm going to sell, and stay tuned, guys. uh, I'll see you guys in my next live. Oh.